Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a section view in Inventor. And I want you to open back up this sheet that we did before with the holes. And we're going to actually go in and make a section view instead of this top view. Really, this top view has all these hidden lines, and we actually remember from before that we don't like to dimension to hidden lines. We actually were dimensioning to the centers, but these are all hidden. So what I'd rather do is I'd rather cut through right through the center and show you that. So take this file and save this as a new name so we don't lose our original sheet. I'm going to save mine as File, Save As, Holes, Section View. So now I have this saved as a new one so I don't lose my old one. I'm going to go in and delete that entire view out. Gone. Now this is actually pretty easy to do. I'm going to scoot it over so you can see the top part here. Here's the section view right here. I want to cut the section view right along this line here. So I'm going to click on Section, and then I need to click in this box so it's doing this one. And then what I want to do is, if I'm kind of here and I kind of come up from it, it's actually picking up where that center mark is, and it's saying, do I want to start lined up with it, which I do. So I'm going to click outside the box on this side and outside the box on this side. Then I'm going to right click Continue, and it puts that there. And it's asking me where do I want to stick it. Do I want to stick it right on top of there? No, I want to put it up there, above there. So I'm going to click there. Notice what it did. It put the letters AA and it labeled this properly as section AA. It gave me the scale, that the scale is the same. Now, what I still need to do on this before I'm going to turn this one in is I need to go through and put back in all my center lines. Remember, my center lines from down here should line up with my center lines from up there. So you do it with this click here. You do it just like before. Click, 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 click. To make these all centered, you do it for all those going across. Then we want to go back in and do our dimensioning just like we did before. And I could do, once I have all my center lines in, I'd click on all these going across. But I would not want to put it down here at the bottom because it'll cover up this title. I'd want to put it up here at the top like this so that it's not covering up this little title right there. So I'd go all the way across and dimension all of those. That's how a section view works. Notice that it has the hash marks here where I actually cut through the material, and it's clear here where the holes actually are so that I can see what inside there those holes look like without having a whole bunch of hidden lines that I'm looking at. Okay, that's what holes are. Finish this up, finish dimensioning it, turn this one back in.